Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Flyer. Struggling to find the best low competition keywords for your niche like this? Don't worry, ChatGPT has got you covered. Whether you're working on a blog, YouTube channel, or online store, finding the right keywords is crucial for better SEO and higher rankings. Log in OpenAI, just type your niche like fitness. I will type fitness keyword wonder and let AI do the hard work for you. Now your list is ready for SEO Pro. Tip: focus on long tail keywords. These are more specific phrases that have less competition but higher conversion rates. For example, try this. Find 30 long tail keywords for a fitness blog targeting beginners. Your list is ready. This helps you rank faster on Google and attract the right audience to your website. Start using AI to supercharge your SEO today. Let me know in the comments what niche you're working on, and I'll help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Tech Flyer and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks.